Alright, I'm recording.
Okay, come here. Ew, you're gross.
Okay, Caleb.
Okay, show Uncle Bert your tooth.
I want you to say this is Caleb and this is the tooth pull.
This is Caleb and this is a tooth pull, and this is gonna definitely be painful. Hi! Hi!
Okay, back up. Okay, your dad's gonna hold you. I don't know if that's gonna work. I think we need something smaller like floss.
Tooth pull will probably break.
Let me see.
This is gonna hurt.
You can get a double knot.
It's already.
It's raining?
Yeah, it is. Casey, did you get ice?
Yeah.
Jimmy, it's in your dark
Can you stop talking?
Go get the ice case.
Get your tongue out of the way. Okay, ready?
Wait, first I get ice.
Okay, get the ice. Say it again, Caleb. Say, my name is Caleb and this is the tooth pull. Door shut tooth pull.
This is Caleb. Is it door shut pull? Hi! Hi! Hi!
Ready?
It's Casey too. Oh!